Hello students, welcome back to the CET and JEE classes. Today I am giving the questions which are given in the previous exams. Let us see, the first one is, if f comma g from R to R be two functions defined as f of x equal to mod x plus x and g of x equal to mod x minus x, then what is the value of f circle g of x? And here main important point is here x less than 0. When x less than 0, mod of x is minus x. Remember the point. Now I am taking f circle g of x equal to f of g of x. Now f of, what is the g of x? Just write down here. That is, g of x is mod x minus x. Now we have to substitute this value in the f function. So f of x is mod x plus x. So in place of x, we have to put this value. Now here first mod is there, mod of, so I am adding this value, mod x minus x, mod complete within mod complete, plus x means this one, mod x minus x. Now see, mod of, when x less than 0, mod of x is minus x, so it is minus x, again minus x, plus here mod of minus x is again minus x minus x. That is, it is how much? It is mod of minus 2x. So it is minus x plus into minus minus, minus x minus x. That is mod of minus 2x. Mod of x is minus x. So mod of minus 2x also minus 2x, because x less than 0. X less than 0. And minus x, that is totally minus 4x. That is the option C. Next, come to this one. If n of a equal to 2 and n of a equal to 2 and total number of possible relations from set A to B. So number of relations found, that is from A to B, that is 2 power n of A into n of B. It is the total number of relations, which is number of relations. Now what we have to find? This value, how much given? 1024. Then we have to find the value of n of b. And n of a already given, that is 2. So 2 power n of a into n of b. This value given, that is 1024. Now here 2 power n of a value is 2. We have to find n of b is equal to, this one we can write 2 power 10. Now bases equal, we can equate the powers. That is 2 into n of b equal to 10. So n of b equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. Option D. See the next one. A set having 6 different elements, the number of different distinct functions from A to A. So n of A, number of elements in A are 6. So number of relations from A to A, number of relations from A to B means number of relations from C. Number of distinct functions or relations, number of functions from a to b means n of b whole power n of a. Number of functions from a to b, that is n of b whole power n of a. In the same way, number of functions from a to a, here both the sets are same, that is n of a whole power n of a, that is 6 power 6. That is number of relations. Total number of, not relations, functions. Total number of functions. Total number of functions are 6 power 6. So number of functions from a to b are n of b whole power n of a. Here both sets are a only. So number of functions from a to a is n of a whole power n of a, that is n of a contains 6 elements, 6 power 6. That is the total number of functions. Okay. Now see here. Is asking now which are not bijective. Which are not bijective. So first, what are the bijective functions? Suppose in the set A there are n elements. Number of bijective functions are n factorial. So in the A now, n of a equal to how much? 6. Number of bijective functions are how many? That is 6 factorial. Now he is asking which one? Which are not bijections. That means number of not bijective functions is equal to, from the total number of functions I am deleting or eliminating bijective functions. Then you will get which are not bijective. So total number of functions minus number of bijective functions. That is, total number of functions are how many? 6 power 6 minus, now number of bijective functions are 6 factorial. So check the answer. No need of simplify. Already given the answer, that is 6 power 6 minus 6 factorial, option C. Next, come to this problem. Let the function given f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 2x when x greater than 3. Next, x square when 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. Next, 3x when x less than or equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of f of minus 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4. Now see here. First I am taking f of 1, f of minus 1. Just here I am writing directly minus 1. Minus 1 is, minus 1 belongs to out of 3 intervals, in which interval? Minus 1, where it is, check once here. X less than or equal to 1 means here will be the minus 1. X values below 1, 0, minus 1, like that. So you have to take this function for this value, that is 3 into x value is minus 1, 3x. Next, plus f of 2 is belongs to which interval? See this one. X value is above 3. No. X value is between 1 and 3. Between 1 and 3 means there is a 2. So we can take here function is x square. But what is x value now? 2. That is 2 square. Plus f of 4. 4 means 4 is belongs to which one out of these 3? 4 is above 3. So I have to take this function. That is 2x. 2 into What is the x value is 4. Now simplify this one. That is minus 3 plus 4 plus 8. So 4 plus 8, 12, 12 minus 3, that is 9. So answer is option A. Just we have to check this value. This value belongs to which interval? That function we have to take. By taking that function, we have to substitute that value. Here minus 1 is belongs to this interval. So I took this function. So in this function substitute minus 1. That's it. Next, 2 is belongs to this interval. Then take this function. Just substitute in place of x is 2. That is 2 square. Plus 4. 4 is belongs to this interval. So take this function to x and substitute x value is 4. That is 2 into 4. And simplify. So answer is 9. See the next problems. If f from R to R is defined by f of x equal to x by x square plus 1. Now we have to find the value of f of 2. Now first, what is the value of f of x? I want to find. Later, I will substitute x value is 2. Now see, that is f of, what is the f of x? F of x is x by x square plus 1. So, substitute this entire value in the f of x again. See here, what is the f of x is x by x square plus 1. So, in place of x, we have to put this value. So, that is x, first x means this entire value, x by x square plus 1. This is x, whole divided by, next x square is here. X square is this one square, that is x by x square plus 1 whole square, x by x square plus 1. Now this is f of x. Now I am not simplifying anything here, just I want to substitute x values. That is f of 2 equal to, just substitute 2 by 2 square. 2 square means 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 by 5 whole divided by this one. X by, that is 2 by, this is 5 whole square plus 1. So simplify this one. That is 2 by 5 divided by, this is 2 by 5 whole square. So 2 square by 5 square, that is 4 by 25 plus 1. That is 2 by 5 whole divided by, LCM is 25. So 4 plus 25, that is 29 by 25. Take reverse this one, 2 by 5 into reverse 25 by 29, 5 times cancel, 5 into 2, 10, 10 by 29. So answer is B, option B. Next, come to this one. F of x equal to 1 by 2 minus tan of pi by pi x by 2. This exists in which interval? Minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 less than x less than 1. So this condition or this function exists in the interval open bracket of minus 1 to 1. That means already given the domain of this one. Domain of this function already given. X values means domain. F of x values means range. So already given the domain of this one. Next, g of x given. Now we have to find the domain of f plus g. That means f plus g is equal to, what is the f is? 1 by 2 minus tan of pi x by 2 plus what is the g is root of 3 plus 4x minus 4x square. Already given the domain of this one, that is which one, minus 1 to 1, which is open interval. But here what is the domain of this one? This is in the root. Now this root is in the numerator. So when the root in the numerator, we have to take this value as greater than or equal to 0. That is 3 plus 4x minus 4x square greater than or equal to 0. Now I am changing the signs fully, entirely. That means I am taking minus common. So it is plus 4x square. This is minus 4x. This is minus 3. When I took minus is common, the sign will be changed. That is less than or equal to 0. Now find the factors for this one. That is 4x square. So 4 into 3, 12. That means if you multiply, you have to get 12. If you add or subtract, you have to get minus 4. So that here I am taking minus is common. It is 4x square. It is plus will be minus 4x. This will be minus 3. So when I take minus is common, greater than will be less than or equal to 0. Now we have to find the factors for this one. So it is 4x square, 4 into 3, that is 12. That means if you multiply two numbers, we have to get 12. Add or subtract, we have to get 4. So that is 4x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. So 6 into 2, 12. Minus 6 plus 12, that is minus 4. Now, in the 4x square, I am taking 2x is common. Now here remaining is 2x minus, in the 6x, 2x is common means remaining is 3. Plus here 1 is common, 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Now I am adding here 2x plus 1 because 2x minus 3 is common, less than or equal to 0. Now it is in the form of, you can apply this condition now here, x minus a into x minus b less than or equal to 0 when a less than b. Then x value lies between a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. X value lies between a and b. So here, if I take here 2x plus 1 equal to 0, from this one x equal to minus 1 by 2. 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2. Suppose if I take 2x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3 by 2. That means this is the a value, this is a value, this is b value. So what we can write by this one, minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 by 2. So see here, I got this interval and this interval already given, that is minus 1 to 1. Now between them addition is there, so I have to take common interval for the both. Now I am taking a number line here. This is a number line. So it is 0 and this is minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1. Next, this is plus 1 and this is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. Now see the intervals. I am taking this interval minus 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. I am showing here. Next, this interval I am taking, that is minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. Now I am showing here. Now, what is the common region for these two? That is, this is the common region, that is minus 1 by 2 to 1. So that is minus 1 by 2 to 1. Which bracket we have to apply? So for minus 1 by 2, see here, there is a equal symbol. So it is closed interval, and for 1 there is no equal symbol. So it is open bracket. So answer is option A. Say the next one. Suppose f of x equal to x plus 1 whole square for x greater than or equal to minus 1. If g of x is a function whose graph is the reflection of the graph of f of x in the line y equal to x. In the line y equal to x, the reflection of the graph f of x is, that is, inverse. Then we have to find the g of x. So g of x is the inverse of f of x. G of x is equal to inverse of f of x. So in the line y equal to x, the graph of f of x is the inverse, that is f inverse of x. So here g of x is equal to f inverse of x. So what is the f of x is? X plus 1 whole square. So say it is 1. So y equal to x plus 1 whole square. From this one, x plus 1 is equal to root y. From this one, x equal to root y minus 1. So if you take these two, that is y equal to f of x. So send f to this side, that is f inverse of y is equal to x. Both x's are same. That is inverse of x is f inverse of y. That is f inverse of y is equal to root y minus 1. Now I want f inverse of x. Just substitute in place of y is x. That is root x minus 1. So answer is B. So just remember here, in the line the reflection of f of x graph is f inverse of x. Next, this one. S be the set of real numbers. A relation R has been defined on S by which relation? When A is related to B, when mod of A minus B is less than or equal to 1, then A is related to B. Then we have to check here, that relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Now I am taking the condition is mod of A minus B less than or equal to 1. First I am checking reflexive. Reflexive means, what is the condition for that one? Any element, that means we take any element, that is I am taking one element in the A belongs to S. If the element related with itself, every element related to that element only, then it is reflexive. That means here A comma A should be belongs to R. Now I am checking A comma A, that is A minus R, you can take X also. I am taking X. You will confuse here. X comma X. So I am taking This is a value, this is b value. A, b values both are same. That is x minus x less than or equal to 1. Now, x minus x is 0. Mod of 0 is 0. 0 less than or equal to 1. Yes, it is true. When it is true, it is reflexive. Therefore, R is reflexive. Reflexive is yes, possible. Reflexive possible. Next, what about the symmetric? Symmetric. For the symmetric, I told previously, in place of A, substitute B. In place of B, substitute A. Interchange the terms. If the equation remains if the equation remains same, then it is symmetric. So now here, what is the original equation is mod of A minus B less than or equal to 1. Now I am changing the terms, that is mod of B minus A less than or equal to 1. Both are same. See here, mod of 1 minus 2, mod of 2 minus 1. Mod of 1 minus 2 is, mod of minus 1 is 1. And mod of 2 minus 1 is also 1. Both are same. When both are same, it is symmetric also. Next, what about the transitive? Is it transitive or not? See here, I am checking transitive here. Suppose I am taking 1, 2 belongs to R. Next, 2, 3 belongs to R. So, mod of 1 minus 2 is less than or equal to 1 or not? Mod of 1 minus 2 is 1. 1 less than or equal to 1, yes, it is 2. Next, mod of 2 minus 3 less than or equal to 1. Because our condition is mod of A minus B less than or equal to 1. So, mod of 2 minus 3, there is mod of minus 1 less than or equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 1, 2. Now, I have to check. This is A comma B, this is B comma C. Now, I have to check A comma C. That is 1 comma 3. So, mod of 1 minus 3 less than or equal to 1. Mod of 1 minus 3 is 2. 2 is less than or equal to 1. Is it true or false? False. When it is false, it is not transitive. So, it is reflexive, yes. It is symmetric, yes. That means in the reflexive, if you take 1 also. 1 minus 1, 0. If you take 2, 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. You take any element. Next, it is symmetric also because these two equations are same. Suppose here there is no mod, means both are not same. So there is a mod, then they are same. So it is reflexive, symmetric, but not transitive. That is option C. See the next problems. If A and B have n elements in common, that means n of A intersection B, number of elements in A intersection B. That means intersection is common. Common elements for A and B. That is number of common elements for A and B are how many? That is n. This n is different. This n is different. This is number of common elements in A intersection B is n. Next, then the number of elements common to A cross B and B cross A. So that means we have to find here n of A cross B intersection B cross B. We have to find the common elements for A cross B and means intersection B cross B. Now see here, we have here one formula, that is, suppose here A intersection B cross C C intersection D is there. How we can write this one is A cross C intersection B cross D. That is A cross C intersection B cross D. So A equal to B means B is also equal to A. So here we given like this. That is A intersection C. Sorry, A cross C intersection C cross D. Sorry, B cross D given. Now how to change in this way? So this one and this one is similar. So I want to write in this way. Means how to write? That is n of A intersection B. A intersection B cross B intersection A. Now see. Here before that one, n of A intersection B equal to n. In the same way, can I write this is n of B intersection A also n? Both are same. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Both are same. Now here, one more formula is there. N of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B. Number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in B. So, in the same way, here, n of A intersection B into n of B intersection A. So n of A intersection B is n. N of B intersection A also n. That is n into n is n square. So here only the thing is this form. A intersection B cross C intersection D means we can write A cross C intersection B cross D. So this is here same type. So just I wrote this one into this form. That is A intersection B cross B intersection A. That one. So answer is C. Next. Let f from R to R be defined by f of x equal to 1 by x. What is the function is? F of x equal to 1 by x. For all x belongs to R. X values all the real numbers. So in the real numbers there is a 0. In the real numbers there is a 0. We can take 0. Now what is the f of x? 1 by 0 is not defined. The function is going to be not defined. So answer is not defined. Option B. So these are the problems which are given in the previous exams, and I gave some questions only. Remaining questions you can try that one in the same manner, same way. And one more thing is, one more topic is there in the relations and functions, that is binary operations. That one I will teach in the next class. Thank you.